we are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people mispronounce. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So how do you go about pronouncing this curious name? Well, just like the word air. So if you break it down, it's like air, air. Okay, so essentially the E there doesn't do anything. It's pretty much, you can consider it silent. Air is how you say it. Air. A lot of people are wondering how to pronounce it after Kylie Janner's revealed the name of her baby boy, Aire. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching.